Tropics throwing out a lot of trouble. Most close to home is Tropical Storm Nicholas, made landfall near Matagorda Bay in southeast Texas very early this morning as a Category 1 hurricane, and it remains a strong tropical storm as it's going to be a slow mover, a lingerer. Areas of Harris County, Texas, south of Houston to Galveston, already some very heavy rainfall totals, and this is just going to be the start of it. Storm total amounts, Galveston, already over 14 inches of rain. Very important to remember, turn around, don't drown. There's going to be a moderate to high risk of excessive rainfall in southeast Texas to southern Louisiana. This is a 7 a.m. update just before our first light from the visible satellite imagery. Houston, Alexandria, New Orleans, going to be issues out there, and it's going to be a slow mover through like Thursday. Areas of southeast Texas and southwest Louisiana, it's not going to move much, but it's still going to tap into a lot of moisture, which will translate to heavy rain, which will translate to that up to high risk of excessive rainfall. Houston to the Louisiana state line. Tropical storm warning remains in effect with also storm surge watches and warnings in surrounding areas. Flash flood watches just southeast of Houston, cutting through southern Louisiana to Biloxi, Mississippi, to Mobile, Alabama, for anywhere from a couple inches to an additional foot of rain over the next couple or few days. Again, remember to turn around, don't drown. Also watching for some severe weather concerns. There's a cold front cutting into the Great Lakes today. Chicago, South Bend, Indianapolis, Detroit, St. Louis, Kansas City, Denver. Isolated to scattered large hail, damaging winds. Best chance of severe weather will be in the yellow, slight risk area. Can't rule out a few tornadoes as well. And then east of the Great Lakes, cities like Buffalo, overnight and tomorrow morning, that cold front cuts through. Houston to New Orleans, there is a marginal risk associated with Nicholas. Can't rule out a tornado or two through this afternoon. Stay weather aware.